Hey kids! Welcome back to Tiny Math Genius. Are you ready for a super fun math challenge? Can you solve these simple math questions in just 5 seconds? Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tiny Math Genius for more fun math quizzes. Let's begin with the easy level.
Question 1. 8 plus 2 equals what? The answer is 10. A perfect 10. Perfect start. Question 2. What is 8 plus 0? That's 8. 0 adds nothing. Question 3. 1 plus 5. Go. It's 6. Sharp. Question 4. Can you solve 1 plus 7? The total is 8. Nailed it. Question 5. Think fast. 8 plus 2. What's the answer? You get 10. Same question, second perfect 10. Boom. Question 6. 2 plus 4. What do you get? The sum is 6. Fantastic. Question 7. Add 3 and 3. What's the total? Six is the answer. Double threes. Beautiful. Question 8. What is 5 plus 5? That's 10. Another perfect 10. Question 9. Got it so far? Good. 6 plus 4. Go. It's 10. 4 perfect 10s already. Incredible. Question 10. 0 plus 2. What do you get? The answer is 2. 0 adds nothing. Easy level done. Excellent. Medium level. Question 11. 8 plus 0. What's the answer? You get 8. 0 changes nothing. Question 12. Think fast. 6 plus 0. Go. The sum is 6. 0 strikes again. Question 13. 4 plus 6. What's the total? That's 10. A perfect 10. Love it. Question 14. What is 3 plus 4? The total is 7. Smooth. Question 15. 8 plus 1. What's the answer? It's 9. Halfway through medium. Incredible. Question 16. Got it? Stay sharp. 6 plus 3. Go. Nine is the answer. 2 9s in a row. Question 17. 6 plus 2. What do you get? You get 8. Excellent. Question 18. What is 7 plus 3? That's 10. Another perfect 10. Almost there. 1 plus 9. What's the total? The sum is 10. 2 perfect 10s in a row. Amazing. Question 20. Think fast. 7 plus 3. Go. The answer is 10. 3 perfect 10s in a row. Medium level, crushed.
Final level, tricky. Same numbers in new combos. Stay focused. Question 21. 2 plus 5. What's the answer? It's 7. Strong, tricky start. Question 22. What is 5 plus 5? The total is 10, a perfect 10. Question 23. Add 6 and 3. Go. That's 9. Sharp. Question 24. 7 plus 3. What do you get? Ten is the answer. Another perfect 10. Question 25. Think fast. 5 plus 1. What's the total? The sum is 6. 5 more. You've got this. Question 26. 8 plus 1. What's the answer? You get 9. Excellent. Question 27. Got it. Beautiful. 8 plus 0. Go. The answer is 8. 0 adds nothing. 3 more. Question 28. What is 5 plus 3? That's 8. 2 more. Don't stop. Question 29. Almost there. 5 plus 4. What do you get? It's 9. 1 more to go. Question 30. Final question. Give it everything. 0 plus 10. What's the answer? The answer is 10. A perfect 10 to finish. You did it. 30 questions. Easy, medium, and tricky. All complete. You are an absolute math superstar.
Great job! Subscribe to Tiny Math Genius for more fun math quizzes. See you in the next video.